how Forex trading works in an easy-to-understand way and how to increase your chances of success. Copy and profit from 30+ done-for-you affiliate campaigns that two marketers use to make $50,000 per month. Forex PLR training and software PLR review. I don't know of any other niche where people spend $5 trillion per day. And just as rare is PLR that you can find for this niche. So make sure to look out for my email tomorrow, as you'll be getting a special treat. It's a $5 trillion per day industry and you're getting a double whammy here. You're getting resale rights to a software and PLR to video training for this red-hot niche. I've seen people spend thousands on products in this niche because of the potential for them to earn many times more. What niche am I talking about? This type of reseller opportunity doesn't come around often, so make sure to grab it while it lasts. Forex PLR training and software PLR review. Forex PLR training and software PLR feature. Forex PLR training and software PLR testimony. Your software helped me gain back a ton of time. Legacy Lewis. This software is pure genius. I can't believe how easy it is to use and how much time it saves. Veronica Davis. Diego has been so helpful with supporting this application. It has given me many ideas on how to improve my online exposure and drive more free traffic using your powerful tool. Tavis Young. As author of several books, I have no hesitation in using your software. Thanks for creating it.